Hi everyone, it's Alia or Cake Legend and welcome to a quick beginner-friendly cupcake decorating tutorial. Today we're making these simple floral buttercream cupcakes. You're just gonna need 3 piping tips, 2 of these Wilton 2D tips, which is like a big star tip basically, and then 1 of these Wilton 352 leaf tips. In this video, I'm using American buttercream. You can find a recipe in the top right-hand corner, and I dyed 2 colors of buttercream for my florals and then green buttercream for the leaves. I am also using these white pearl sprinkles. I love using the mix that has all the different sizes. For this first design, we are going to start by making 3 rosettes on top of our cupcake. If you've never piped a rosette, just think of drawing a lowercase e. We make 3 of those, letting them overlap each other, and then in the little gaps on the sides, we're gonna add just little star flowers. These are made by just doing a quick squeeze. You stop squeezing and then you pull the piping bag away. Very, very difficult to mess up. Then we're just gonna add some little garnish by making these buttercream leaves. These are also made by doing a quick squeeze, but instead of stopping and then pulling away, you stop squeezing as you're pulling away. Add as many of these as you'd like wherever you see fit. I just like to fill up the last little gaps. And then I'm gonna add some of those white pearl sprinkles just to make it a little more elegant. And that's basically it for this design. Here you can see another angle of me piping, and you just kind of get faster as you get into the flow of things. I always say the key to piping is to match your speed with your pressure. You can't move too fast if you're squeezing too lightly, and vice versa. If you feel like you need some practice before you start piping directly on the cupcakes, you can always practice on a sheet of parchment paper. And if you keep your colors separated, you can just reuse them as well. Now, for those of you who aren't fans of too much buttercream or sprinkles on your cupcakes, here is the second design, which is much simpler and quicker. We're going to make 1 large rosette, again starting in the middle and then piping around. Stop squeezing right as you're getting towards the end and then pull away a little quicker. And we finish it off by covering that end with a couple buttercream leaves. Here it is again, start in the middle and then circle towards the edge. Stop squeezing as you get towards the end and quickly pull away. And then we just cover up the gap with some leaves. Super, super fast and easy, yet it's still the cutest cupcake ever. And honestly, less buttercream is more my style. I'm the kind of person who likes American buttercream, but I like a little bit of it on my cupcake. So many people prefer Swiss meringue or Italian meringue buttercream, but I just find it's not sweet enough for me. I have always preferred the classic American buttercream. But if you do want to make some Swiss meringue or Italian meringue, I have recipes on my channel and you can find them in the top right-hand corner as well. The Swiss meringue video also has the secret to getting silky smooth, perfect, air bubble-free buttercream. Just a quick warning though, in order to achieve that buttercream, you need to be making a lot of buttercream, like enough to fill up your entire mixing bowl. I was only making 3.5 dozen of these cupcakes, so I only ended up using about 1.5 kilos of buttercream, which only fills up the mixing bowl about halfway. If I were making more complex florals, I would probably need some more buttercream, but today we were just doing the simple beginner-friendly rosette florals. These are really easy and great for anyone who's just starting out their cake decorating journey, somebody trying to dip their toes in the water. These are a great design to start with, and like I said, you can even practice on parchment paper before you pipe directly on the cupcake. Just play around and get more familiar with the feeling of a piping tip, a piping bag, the consistency of your buttercream. Get comfortable with it, and then make something beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're getting really close to 100K. There's also a link to my Instagram in the description. Be sure to give me a follow, and if you post your cupcakes online, tag me. I'd love to see them. But that is it for today, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!